Alright guys, winter storm update, or really just channel update in general. Right now I'm forging these very simple one-piece metal knives. It's just made out of a roughly 5/8 piece of coil spring cut at 5 inches. You forge it about, I don't know, 8 to 9 inches long. Make a step down about the face of your anvil. And the rest of it's pretty simple. Anyways, just want to say, perfectly healthy. I haven't been posting for a while because of, I kept putting it off. Anyways, just wanted to say I'm back. I'll be posting videos again regularly for the next couple of days, and hopefully for the next couple of months. Anyways, just want to check in with you guys on the winter storm.